Hi, I am Anil Kumar S, batch number BRN34. So today I am presenting about data types in Verilogs. So first, data types means a storage format having a specific range or type is called data types. So then come to the contents. These are all the my contents of data types in Verilog. First, the value set. Verilog supports 4 types of logic values. The 4 values levels are 0, 1, X and Z. The 0 represent false condition and 1 represent true condition and X represent unknown logic value and Z represent high impedance. Then come to the nets. Nets type group represent a physical connection between the digital circuits. Example wire, wound and volt for etc. In this example, a 1-bit value is declared a wire. And come to the registers. It holds the value. Register it holds the value but doesn't produce an hardware registers. Register data types is do not yields the hardware registers, and the register value is then the value is retains until updated. For example, a single bit is declared a register and 6-bit declares a register 5 down to 0. Remember this. Wire doesn't holds the value and register holds the value. Okay, then come to the vectors. So vectors, the net or register can be declared a vector to represent multiple bit width. If width is not specified, it is a scalar and it represent buses. So this is the example of vectors. Then come to the integer data types. Default size is 32-bit and it contains containing and looping operation use integer. Then integer stores values as single quotient. The integer data types like 0, 1, minus 43, minus 159. The positive and negative values is the example of the integer. In this integer, they are declared by the integer keywords. Okay. Then come to the real data types. It allows the it allows a decimal and scientific notations like 0.125, 1.37 and minus 1.36 are the examples. The example is they are declared using the real keywords. Okay. Then come to the time. For storing and manipulating simulation time quantities, the time data type is useful for test bench implementation, and it stores simulation time and it is the not a synthesizable. And the example is the time register is declared using the time keywords. So then come to the array. So array for variable type registers integer and time and are possible. For example, register array, net array, wire and integer array declaration. Then come to the memory. So memory is a one-dimensional array with elements of types of range, and it is used to model of ROM, RAM, register files. For example, register declares a width and depth, 4-bit width and 512-bit depth. So it declares a memory for 512 4 bits. So and finally come to the string. The string is a sequence of character enclosed by the double quotes and contains on a single line. For example, 8-bit ASCII value represent one character model name is hello world. The string is hello world. Yeah, this is from my side. Thank you.